So picking up where I left off, I'm going to go ahead and close this screen. And again, that's all I see. So these are my instructions. Maybe I'd like to add an entire screen just for graphing or just for geometry. So the geometry is found over here um, in the More tab. And so if I wanted to, I can place something on this screen that I want my students to do something with. And now this is a little bit different. What you might want to do is, for example, I think we did this, Heather, back when we did those 2 days of Desmos constructions. Maybe you want to add a note and ask students to do something. So rotate this F around a point of your choosing, not point. And this is what the student would see. So when the student would go to the preview, the student would see this, and they could open up the tools. They could place a point, and they could then define a transformation, which is a rotation. And so I'm going to choose my center point, 90-degree angle. I will apply it to F and apply. And then let me go back here to construction. Oh, do that. There, you can see the F down there. It's hard to see. There it is. And that's pretty dynamic. So that's when you could add just a regular just a geometry page. And you didn't have to add instructions. I could have placed the instructions at the top if I wanted to. So I could have, instead of having the instructions here, I could have placed the instructions up here. And then the student would see something like this, would see the entire page, which actually probably would be a little bit better. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause my, I will go ahead and pause this. Before I pause, I do want to show you this. It's possible that I could show, for example, a grid in the background, which could be helpful for you. But anyway, I'm going to pause this and I'll add another page and show you what you can do.